My name is Ellen VC Emmanuel. Welcome to my channel, VC Online Maths and Physics. In this video, we are going to look at this topic on further mathematics, permutation and combination. When we are dealing with permutation, we are talking of arrangement. Whenever we are talking of arrangement of anything, arrangement of numbers, arrangement of peoples, anything that deals with arrangement. So we are talking of what? Permutation. When we are talking of combination, we talk about selection, choosing. So whenever we are talking of combination, we talk about being selective, selection or choosing. So whenever you see a group of people select amongst some men, so that means that we are talking about combination. Now, there is a formula for permutation. So permutation is represented by this formula. So this is the formula for permutation. N permutation R. N permutation R is equal to N factorial, because this sign is what? Is called factorial. So this sign, this symbol is called factorial. So and take note that 0 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is 1. And 1 factorial is 1 times 0. So which is what? 1 times 0 factorial, which is 1 times 1. That now. If 0 factorial is 1, then 1 times 0 factorial is what? 1 times 1, right? Yes. So 1 factorial is what? 1. Don't forget that. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. You are multiplying backward. So which is what? 2. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. You are multiplying backward. Which is what? 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is what? 6. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Times 1 is what? 24. So etc. So multiplying the number backward. That is what we mean by factorial. So this is n factorial over n minus 1 r in bracket factorial. This is the formula for permutation. For example, when we have something like this, 7 and 3. 7 and 3. So 7 permutation 3. 7 permutation 3. We have, don't forget, you can relate it with this, n permutation r, where n is 7 and r is what? 3. So you say n is 7, r is what? Is 3. Then apply the formula. Pnr is equal to n factorial over n minus 1, n minus r factorial. Now, and we have known that n is 7, right? So if n is 7, then we have 7 factorial over 7 minus r is 3, right? Minus 3 factorial. Then we have 7 factorial, which is 7 times, okay, let's do it like this. 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 is what? 4, right? 4 factorial. Now, see what I'm going to do here. When you have 7 factorial over 4 factorial, just multiply the 7 downward and 4 downward. But because we can see 4 factorial in 7 factorial, is that clear now? So when you are multiplying 7 downward, when you reach 4 factorial, you stop. Then you have 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, because 4 factorial means multiplying it what? Backward. That should be 4, 3, 2, and 1, right? So we decided to stop here because there is a number here, 4 factorial. Then over what? 4 factorial. Because of this 4 factorial, we are going to stop here. So so that this and this will be equal, right? So when you cancel this, you cancel this. Then you now multiply 7 times 6, 7 times 6, 7 times 6 times 5 gives you 210. 210 ways. You can say ways anyhow. So that is the answer. So I'm just trying to give us a foundation, a clear foundation of permutation. So let me just explain a bit about combination. Let me explain a bit about combination. When we are talking of combination is with selection, right? Yes. So and the formula for combination is n combination r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. You see now, part of this is permutation, but you add r to it. Now, this is the formula for what? For combination. N factorial over n minus r factorial in brackets, then r factorial. For example, for a case study, we have 5 combination 4. Let's use it that way, or 3. 5 combination 3. It means you are selecting 3 from 5. Is that clear now? You are selecting 3 from 5. And if you have something like this also, you are arranging 2 from 7. Is that clear now? Yes. Now, compare with this formula, NR is equal to N permutation, N minus R permutation, R permutation. Factorial. Now, look at this. N becomes 5 and R is what? 3. So wherever you see N, you put 5. Wherever you see R, you put 3. Right? Now, look at what we are going to do. 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial. Is that clear now? So 5 factorial is, just write it like this, 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 is 2. You have 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Is that clear now? So 5 factorial over, now we have 2 here, we have 3 here. So which one is the highest? 3, right? So that means if you are expanding this 5 factorial, we are going to stop at 3 factorial, right? So it will be 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Then 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So that this and this can be cancelled. So when you cancel this, you cancel this. Then you have 5 times 4 over 2 times 1. Because 2 factorial is 2 times 1, right? Yes. So 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 1 is 2. So when you divide it, you have 10. So our answer is what? 10. So that is that about permutation and combination as a beginner and the foundation base of it. So in another video, we talk about so much question, we expand question on it and work in many ways. So if you really enjoyed this video, please do well to like, comment and share. Subscribe for more video. Thank you. God bless you.